Positive cues coming in from G8, where they have said that they won't let Greece get out of Eurozone, and what the markets are looking forward to now is the Eurozone meeting in Brussels on Wednesday, and they are expecting some good cues or announcements coming in from that as well. So some positive cues at this point in time. You have seen gold prices continue to trade around that 1 week highs. Some bit of buying coming in for crude as well, where it's 0.5% of a gain coming in for the NYMEX prices after declining 4.5% in the previous week. A strong turnaround is what you are looking at in base metal prices, where copper, after falling nearly 1.5% in previous week, clearly has regained all of that today itself. So 1.5% of gains coming in for that one as well. No, not very strong data coming in from US today, but markets would continue to watch out for the dollar index, which is just about holding 81. Any further slide into that one would take in more gains for the commodities today.
Milan Bhavishi, Head Commodity Research at Inventure Growth and Securities. He joins us live on the show. Milan, afternoon. Thanks for joining us. First up, what's your trading call on gold?
If the level of $1526 is broken, gold could see sharp downsides. However, in the medium term, till this level of 1526 is held, we could see some upsides in gold. On the upside, gold prices have resistance at $1630 and above that $1720. In a very short term, gold is expected to rise. On weekly charts, it has given a hammer candlestick pattern which suggests bullish reversal. So for the day on MCX, gold can be bought for the targets of 29,300 and stop loss can be placed at 28,950 levels.
Milan, what about your view on silver?
On the longer term charts, silver, just like gold, is forming a descending triangle where the highs are coming down, and on the lower side, COMEX silver is getting supported in the range of $26 and $27. Now, a break of $26 could mean a sharp downside for silver. However, till this level is held up, silver can be bought to participate the rises. On the weekly charts, just like gold, silver has also given a hammer candlestick pattern which suggests bullish reversal. On MCX for the day, silver can be bought at current market price for the target of 55,400 and stop loss can be placed at 54,300 levels.
And Nirma, what's going to be your view on copper, Milan?
For copper, LME stocks are lingering at 218,000 tons. Now this is the lowest level since October 2008 and it is equivalent to just few days of global consumption. Now this lower level of stocks could give support to copper prices in the near term and will prevent it from falling further. In addition to this, efforts by the Chinese government to revive their economy could also give support and some upward bias to copper prices. On MCX for the day, copper can be bought at current market price for the targets of 430 levels, and on the downside, stop loss can be placed at 420.50 levels.
Milan, what about crude, considering we've seen an uptick after the G8 summit outcome?
For crude oil, it is observed that Saudi Arabia is ramping up production to meet the need for oil once the sanctions against Iran come into full effect. Now this has created surplus pile-up this year for crude oil. In addition to this, European instability has also shied away investors from crude oil. We believe that crude oil could see 3 to 5% more downside from here on. On MCX, crude oil can be sold below 4985 levels for the target of 4900. Stop loss can be placed at 5035 levels.